The check rear seat for all articles warning is a crucial safety feature in modern Nissan vehicles. This system is designed to prevent tragic accidents by alerting drivers to check their back seats before leaving the vehicle. Since 2018, Nissan has implemented the rear door alert system as standard equipment on most models, including the Altima, Sentra, Rogue, Pathfinder, and Titan. The system uses door sensors to monitor rear door activity. The system works in three simple steps. First, it detects when a rear door is opened and closed. Then it monitors the vehicle throughout the drive cycle. Finally, when you turn off the engine, it provides audio and visual alerts if the rear doors were used during the trip. The system activates for legitimate safety reasons. These include loading or unloading items through the rear doors, passengers entering or exiting the back seats, and using child safety seats. These are all situations where you might need to remember to check the rear seat. However, the system can sometimes trigger false alarms. The most common causes include faulty door sensors, electrical interference from aftermarket accessories, and software glitches in the body control module. Understanding these causes helps in proper troubleshooting. The rear door alert system represents an important advancement in automotive safety technology. While occasional false alarms may occur, the system's primary purpose is to save lives by preventing children, pets, or valuables from being forgotten in vehicles. When the rear seat warning appears, start with these systematic troubleshooting steps, beginning with the simplest solutions. Step 1 is a basic system reset. Turn off your vehicle completely and wait 30 seconds. This allows the system to clear any temporary glitches. Step 2 involves cleaning the door jamb sensors. Use electrical contact cleaner to remove debris that might interfere with sensor operation. Step 3 is a body control module reset. Disconnect the battery for 15 minutes to allow the system to fully reinitialize. If basic troubleshooting fails, professional solutions may be needed. Faulty door sensors typically cost $50 to $150 to replace, with professional installation recommended. Newer Nissan models from 2024 and 2025 feature enhanced sensor accuracy and improved integration with Safety Shield 360, significantly reducing false positive alerts. If false alarms persist after trying these basic troubleshooting steps, contact a Nissan dealership for professional diagnosis and repair. Remember, this safety system is designed to protect what matters most.